Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief for Commercial Baking. I'm here at IBIE 2022, and I am catching up with Campbell Williams and Economakis, co-chairs for ABA's NextGenBaker. And we just finished watching the CEO panel for the NextGenBaker Leadership Forum, and we saw an incredible conversation with some iconic CEOs. We talked a lot about leadership in a time of change, and I'm super interested to get your take on what some of those conversations were.
Yeah, Joanie, I just think it was a really special conversation, to get to hear from Cordia and Tyson and Paul and Riles, just some of the key leaders in our industry and how they, manage in times of change, just to learn about their leadership styles, how they encourage culture. As young leaders in the industry, you can't help but walk away encouraged by what you're hearing, and I hope that everybody takes a little piece of this back to their companies, and it'll make all of us better leaders because of it. And I've been coming to NextGenBaker for probably close to 20 years, and every time I walk away encouraged by what I hear.
Yeah, it was truly inspiring. Lily, I'm interested to hear what some of your key takeaways were from that conversation.
What I love to hear from each of the CEOs is the challenges that each of them have and how they've overcome the challenges in their company and how they continue to grow as leaders within the organization. And then with the changing times that we're in right now, the accelerated issues of labor and bringing in new people within your organization, maintaining the values within the organization and how they lead to make sure that everybody works cohesively within the organization and that they're pushing the company forward.
Right. And I think for the young leaders in our industry, these topics cannot be more important than they are right now. Learning how to lead in a time of change is going to benefit us all, and I thought that the insight was truly inspirational. And I also just want to say thank you to you both for your leadership with ABA's NextGenBaker. You guys do an incredible job. You're really helping bring the next generation of leadership in the baking industry up by educating us and inspiring us. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, Joanie.